Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. Welcome. It is November 15th, 2018. I wanted to give you an update as to what has happened thus far in our trading today in the PIP Club and the forum. The thing that I'm very pleased with, and I think I can speak for everybody in the group, is that we had 4 successful days in a row with everybody making pips that were reporting. We do have a lot of new students that are still learning the ropes, and they're actually talking to behind the scenes with me and the other traders, and they're gearing up and getting things to start working, and we're seeing a lot of success there. But I just wanted to showcase the things that have been happening that have been consistent with the traders that are posting consistently. So let's go to that right now. Okay, John did 24 in the pound CAD this morning, 30 in the pound Aussie. Then I did 29 in the euro yen. John did 2 more trades, 85 pips and 65 pips for a total of 150. Then I did in the pound yen 8 pips and 1.7 pips. This one was kind of one of those things where I had more than one thing happening and I closed it prematurely. Could have gotten more out of that, but you know, it's profitable nonetheless. Here I did one for 20 pips in the pound dollar. Clark did this one for 22 pips. Right here, 22 pips for that one. And then we've got John did these before the Pip Club started in the US 30. He did 60 pips and 50 pips for a total of 110. And then he did another counter trend trade here in the pound yen for 33 pips, and he had a trailing stop of 10 pips. We've been actually toying with this concept, John, Ken, and I, working on trying to trade some of the other markets when we're not awake, using the 1551 to set the trade. When it gets into profit, then we let the trailing stop run and do its thing, and or if we're able to watch it, set it when it is retraces back out of any kind of a rest period, and use the trailing stop to chase it too. So this is a combination of one of those scenarios. Here's another example where Ken actually put on the trade, set his take profit, and then was asleep while it moved in his favor for 111 pips. There were some other signals. Had he been awake, he could have entered again and even possibly managed it with that trailing stop like I was talking about, and could have probably gotten more out of this trend. But 111 pips, that's a slam dunk in my book. And then John did in the pound yen a 30 pip and a 15 pip trade, and then 35 pips here in the Aussie yen, I think. Can't read that one. And then pound yen 20. Anyway, just really excited about what's been happening in the room. We're seeing so much success taking place. People are getting involved. The whole factor here is that we've got the camaraderie, we've got the following, we've got the feedback and the teamwork taking place, and we want you to be able to take advantage of this. So please, don't take my word for it. Come check us out. Learn more. Ask us questions. We're not going to bite you. We just want to help get people all on track. So this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets signing off.